Dr. Deepak Devkar from Dermascom Skin and Hair Transplant Clinic, Jayanagar, Bangalore. So I'm a practicing hair transplant surgeon for past 12-13 years. I've been doing FUE and advanced FUE techniques where we are extracting hair from the donor area. Each and every hairs are individual follicles are extracted and these are transplanted to the recipient. So this is a very safe procedure when it is done under the right setting and a qualified experienced doctor is done. So at our clinic we are taking all the precautions and care to make the surgery successful and safe for you. So we will be doing a hair transplantation surgery of my patient Mr. Pandey today. So I'll show you how we are going to design the hairline. So we have Mr. Pandey with us today. So we'll be showing you how we are going to design before the hair transplantation. So hair transplantation is a procedure where we take out the hair from the back of the scalp which is not going to get bald and transplant it to the required area in the front to avoid a looking of baldness. Now this can be done at different ages based on their health. If the health condition is good, we can go for a transplantation. So before transplant, we have done all the workup, blood tests, investigations to rule out any other health issues. So he is fit to undergo the hair transplantation procedure. So now we will show you how to plan for the hair transplantation. So we will be taking measurement of the scalp and then we are going to mark the hairline according to the face features. First we are taking measurements of the hairline and then we are going to mark approximate hairline border. So this hairline will be giving a more natural looking effect according to the face features. So we will have to leave the hair frontotemporal angle to create a natural male pattern design. So according to his donor area, we are going to mark the area on the hair and this is where we are going to transplant the hairs. So we will be giving an irregular border. It will be a zigzag irregular border where the scalp it is going to look more natural. Then we will be selecting the donor area for the transplant where we will mark on the back of the area. Now this is the occipital noke, which is a area where there is a bone. Just adjacent to it, there is a safe donor area. This safe donor area is the area where the hairs are not lost because of the process of baldness. These are not affected by DHT and these hairs are good quality to transplant for the permanent look of the hair. These hairs don't shed. They grow, they shed and then again they regrow into a natural hair cycle. This is the entire donor area which we will be taking selectively. We are going to extract hair from here randomly in an irregular pattern. So there won't be any empty gaps between the existing hair after transplantation. Still they will have enough hair to cover the area once the transplant is done. Recovery will be very fast. Within 24 hours we are going to remove the dressing and it can just ointments and creams has to be applied for the area to heal. Usually within a week the entire area heals and it looks comfortable. It won't be noticeable as a empty patch. So we have marked the recipient area now. So this is irregular border which we will be creating to give a natural look. He already has some hairs. So we will be transplanting between the existing hairs, which will avoid further loss of the hair by doing treatment for the existing hairs, and transplanted hairs will get permanently set in this area. So this will look like more natural and it will be permanent. So today at the end of procedure, the surgery is successful, patient is safe and the results are in front of you. You can see we have done the hair transplantation according to the patient requirement and we have designed it accordingly. It is irregular, natural looking hairline with a coverage which the patient is expecting on most of the area which we have done. We have done a dressing on the back of the scalp, and the donor recipient area will be exposed, which has to be post-care has to be done. How to clean the area, how to spray the area, we will be explaining to the patient on procedure. And area where we have extracted the hair, the plaster is done. So this will be removed next day, and they will be able to clean and apply the ointments and medicines which we have provided. At our Dermasculpt Hair Transplant and Skin Clinic, we are going to do intensified pulse light or IPL laser treatment for the upper lip hair removal. It can also be used for face rejuvenation to reduce telangiectasis of face or as an anti-aging treatment for skin. At Dermasculpt Hair Transplant and Skin Clinic, we will be showing you about diode laser hair removal. This is one of the best lasers available in the world, which we are having at our clinic. This is used to remove the hair permanently from your upper lip, side locks, chin and different body areas in women, which is giving a poor appearance. This laser is done in an interval of monthly once, usually in 6 to 10 sessions to get a permanent result. These results are wonderful. Threading, waxing or bleaching, all this can be avoided permanently and they can have a hair-free life. So we will be showing you about carbon dioxide fractional resurfacing laser, which we are having at Dermasculpt Hair Transplant and Skin Clinic. This laser we are utilizing for resurfacing acne scars, for pimple scars which are difficult to remove with any creams or any tablets. These scars will give pits-like holes, a poor texture of skin and permanently scarred face. This can be treated with our best lasers which we have to resurface the skin and take away these scars and give a more smoother and fresh looking skin for you. At Dermasculpt Hair Transplant Clinic, we will show you the skin treatments which are available. We are doing microdermabrasion with a mask. Microdermabrasion is a very simple procedure which is used for skin rejuvenation, for skin lightening, to give a good glow to skin, and it is regular skin care which will help in avoiding more aging and wrinkle formation of skin. We don't use any chemicals in this. It contains natural marine extracts which are used in a mask. Microdermabrasion is a small machine where we are using a suction operated device with small crystals which will exfoliate the upper dead skin layer, give glow to skin, and it can be done immediately before any party or any family functions which you are attending. It is safe, there is no downtime, and it is a very simple procedure which can be done anytime when you want. At Dermasculpt Skin and Hair Clinic, we are going to explain you about Q-switched NdArc laser. So Q-switched NdArc laser is used for tattoo removal. This laser is done in multiple sessions to permanently remove the tattoo which you have done and which you don't want to have it on your body now. It is a very simple procedure where we are going to give shots of light on the skin which is going to break the pigmentation and gradually clear this pigmentation over multiple sessions. It may take 8 to 10 sessions for a complete result, sometimes with an immature tattoo or performed by an unqualified or without a machine. You may require lesser number of sessions also. After the procedure, there will be some amount of minimal redness of skin. Post-care will be explained, you have to apply ointment. It will take care of the skin redness, and this procedure is done at the interval of 1 to 2 months. And complete sessions, once it is done, most of the tattoo is removed and the skin is looking much better. So we'll be doing microneedling radio frequency at Dermasculpt Skin and Hair Clinic. Here we are using one of the latest advanced techniques called as microneedling radio frequency technology to take away the scars and fine lines and wrinkles which are formed in your skin, as well as open pores. Fine lines, open pores and wrinkles are part of aging process which can't be reversed with any creams. With this latest technology, we are able to resurface the skin and improve collagen buildup under your skin and give a more fresh looking, younger looking skin. It is also used for a scar resurfacing of accident scars or any acne scars formed on your face or your body. It is more advanced than other lasers. There is no such redness or pain after procedure, and it has got minimal downtime. The results are also excellent. This procedure will penetrate the skin in the deeper layers, break the scar, and helps in regeneration of skin and collagen from the deeper layers, which gives a very good glowing skin. So we are going to talk about electroporation for your skin and the benefits of it. Electroporation is a very simple machine where we are going to infuse serum and vitamins into your skin without any invasive procedure or without any needles or any painful procedures. This has got the device, which is a handheld device through which we are going to apply the serum and which help in penetration of the serum into the skin. It gives a good glow to skin. With this we can do anti-aging skin lightening procedures and regular skin care. It is a very excellent procedure which gives quite good glow of skin immediately after it is done, and it can be done monthly once for a long term for better benefits. So we have multiple services at our clinic, from hair transplantation and hair loss to skin care and anti-aging treatments. So all these are the services which we have at our clinic, and you are welcome to experience it.